on a the property. River runs through it here in Uvita, Costa Rica. River runs through it. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, hey, those guys stole the name of that movie. No, that's backwards. The river is running through this property. So that's the appropriate name for this property. Those guys who did the movie took the name and just named the movie. Anyway, whatever. It's a nice name for this property because there is a river running through it. Meanwhile, what we're doing here is we're on the uppermost building spot and we're looking at the whale's tail. It's high tide, so it's not real distinct. It's mainly just a disturbance out there. It's hardly even that. That's how high tide it is. But right out here is where you see that configuration. Okay, Rod's going to be panning around. Rod's the cameraman. He's going to be panning around because from this perch here, what we see is a beautiful ocean view and outstanding just jungle and ridge, you know, like with mists draped over them and lots of wildlife. This is a fairly extraordinary property that's, by the way, you know, well named. So here we are at the river. It really speaks for itself. Take a look around. One of the characteristics of the river that runs through it is it's very Jurassic. If we can get Rod to pan up at some point here, or we'll do a still, you get these the tree ferns up overhead, and you just feel like you're going to see Tyrannosaurus Rex coming through the jungle at some point.